Hello, welcome. Another RiderCamTV video, isn't it? DrySparkle.
Whoa,
yeah.
hey.
So we were sent this product called DrySparkle. They've brought out a motorcycle waterless wash. They do loads of other things for caravans, cars, you name it.
I suspect it would be the same sort of thing.
I would suspect it would be. But they say it's for motorbikes, so I don't know why it's for motorbikes as opposed to caravans and stuff, but we're going to test it out. So,
because my bike's filthy.
Yeah, look at the state of this bike.
It's just come back from 12 days touring around Switzerland and Austria and Germany and France, so yeah, it's mucky. And it's going soon.
So where are you going to test this stuff out?
I'm going to start somewhere that nobody will ever see it's going to be cleaned. Here. Because if you look, you can see it is grubby, I suppose.
It is grubby, isn't
so
it?
It says in the thing, remove the transit device.
And it's a strange looking bottle, isn't it?
It's weird.
Apparently they have got a reason for having this bottle. I think something to do with those other ones like Febreze and that sort of thing. Those they get jammed up. But these work very, very, very well.
So it says, it's very specific, in the kit you get a blue cloth and a green cloth.
Yeah, and they're really good quality cloths as well, actually.
It's like a QVC channel. And it says dampen the blue cloth with a small amount of this.
Yes.
What does dampen? Is that the whole cloth or just a little bit?
I would just dampen a patch. Because it sprays out really like a...
You've used this on your bike, haven't you?
Yeah, like an open spray.
Okay, so let's...
See what I mean? It's a really nice spray, isn't it?
It's almost like it's pressurised. Then it says...
That's like saturating it. What's it smell like?
Well, you're the weird one.
It smells quite sweet.
Okay. So then it says spray a small amount.
Yeah.
The wind's blowing it away. Allow it for a couple of seconds to do what it does.
Do its magic.
And then wipe off. Like that.
Yeah.
And then it says, using the green cloth, buff it. Those of you who've been in the military will understand.
They say lightly buff it, don't they?
Okay,
I think.
Lightly buff it then.
And then they say that your bike is not only clean, but it's protected. So what's it feel like, Mark? Oh wow, that's really smooth, isn't it?
It does actually feel like there's a layer of something on there.
Doesn't it? And it's clean. I mean, see how sparkly clean that is, look.
So my next test is to do the windscreen.
Dun dun dun.
Because that is covered in garbage.
Right.
So, damp cloth still.
Yeah.
Damp cloth. Oh, way up.
I think you'll be cleaning the GoPro as well.
1 or 2 seconds.
Well, you might need to leave it a little bit longer on those dead fly guts, mightn't you?
Alright. Is that enough?
I guess so. You might need to spray a little bit more on there. Right, now buff it.
No, clean.
Clean it. Oh yeah, that's the cleaning cloth.
That's the cleaning cloth. And will I be impressed? That's the question.
Now obviously you're going to have to use some potentially more pressure than usual, aren't you? If you've got stubborn stains on there, or just put more of the liquid on.
I think.
You realise you're going to have to do the inside of it as well, aren't you?
Oh, God. It's all about bike cleaning now, you know I'm not good at that. So anyway, lightly buffing.
I tell you what, that's got rid of nearly all of it, isn't it?
That's all inside.
Wow.
That's all inside.
Right, you've got to do the inside now, haven't you, so that we can see.
Pants. I'm quite impressed with that. So, here we go.
Do you know the one thing about BMWs is that they really don't make it very easy to clean the inside of your screen at all,
Not
do they?
at all,
without taking it off.
So,
a few seconds.
There's a few seconds later.
Yeah. So I'm going to come round and see if we can look through what you're doing. I tell you what, it's really doing well, isn't it?
It's actually, I'm quite impressed with that. Where am I going to put that so it doesn't fall over? Would you say that's clean, that screen? I'm sure it's...
I mean, there's still little bits, isn't there? Like here, look, you've got a few bits.
All right.
Yeah, look, you've got a few bits still left here, but it took off all the major guts. So props a couple of applications of it.
I haven't buffed it yet.
But you can instantly see how clear that's going.
That's,
Hopefully the camera will pick it up, but
if it doesn't, we'll just say it's really clear.
no, but it really is.
Is that? Because there's the.
You've missed a bit right there on the inside.
Buffing or polishing or
Buffing. That's
how's
it.
that?
I mean, look at that. That is really clear.
Look at that, because that's the difference.
Right. Yeah. Right. Do the winglet then. Do you reckon we could keep him going until the whole bike is clean, and then he can do it on mine?
Absolutely not. Look, it makes a difference straight away there. Look.
So it's actually taking it away. It's almost like eating through the guts, isn't it?
It does say to do it one bit at a time.
Yeah.
Which doesn't fit in with how I clean bikes, but muck off.
Well, you got to do the inside now, haven't you? No swearing on this channel. It's made for children.
Okay.
Family friendly, should I say? Family friendly.
Right, okay, so there's the.
Well, yeah, but you can see it. Look, it's actually picking the bits.
Sorry.
It's actually picking the dirt up. Look.
And dropping it off.
Yeah.
Look, the colour of the.
Wow.
How do you get into those little niggly bits? BMW.
Yeah.
That's the problem, getting right down in there. Anyway, so there is a clean winglet inside and out. Buffing?
Buffing.
Buffing, sir. Suits you. Okay, so roughly done. I can't get up inside there. I'd have to get a different cloth.
You obviously need to become a valeter, but look at this. Look at the cleanness of that. From what it was before, that's actually really good, isn't it?
Look at the other side then, and we've got the light to do as well.
Look at that. I mean, this one here was the same colour as it was the same. That was the same colour, wasn't it? But it almost looks like the plastic's all scratched and
so let's
aged and degraded. Let's do it. And you can see it there. It's like a cloud, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's actually pulling some of the stuff off. They work.
Did it work? I think it did. Look at that.
That's really good, isn't it?
Glad they sent those. So the difference you'll see is when it's done inside, isn't it? So we'll do that. We'll turn the. Wait a few seconds.
Yeah, because it doesn't say wait hours, but I guess if you've got a really stubborn stain, you could spray a little bit more on it, leave it for a little bit longer to eat through it.
Yeah.
But they reckon that this puts like a bit of a sheen or a bit of a film on it.
It's a silica thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've done this before with a cleaner. Do you remember?
Yeah, but that cleaner was awful.
It didn't.
Wasn't
I'm
it?
still in my bike shed there, but it was absolutely atrocious. But
have you buffed it?
doing that now, look, even as we speak. That's what I was doing.
Yeah, but look at that now, look.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That is really, I mean, the difference is remarkable, isn't it? Remarkable.
That's grubby.
That is grubby, isn't it? Where have you been to get all those
to
flies?
Switzerland, mate.
Switzerland?
Switzerland. So, we'll do this. I'll do just the outside first.
Yeah.
Just drop that through the bike.
Oh, it's on the floor.
That's okay.
It just eats through it.
The
Because I've been using Grease Lightning Showroom Shine on my bike for years, but I think I might be going to this stuff.
So
this is
I didn't
really
know that.
good. What?
You've been using that.
Yeah.
So that's the outside done, buffed.
Wow.
I'm gonna have to pick it up now somewhere, wherever
I'll
it is.
pick it up for you.
You're great.
I know.
Okay, what people say about you. Betty the Wonder Dog is looking at me going, what's going on, you weirdo?
He's going to put it in the same place so it drops off again. Right, let's zoom in on this. So look at that cloud. So it's obviously picked up dirt, isn't it? You can really see it's picked that up. I mean, obviously this is just for testing purposes, and to get it really shiny, you would spend a little bit more time on it, wouldn't you? But
I'm cleaning your bike.
yeah.
Do you have to do that?
I do.
Oh gosh. The buff.
Does it feel like more? Does it feel like silky?
It does. So, and it sticks. That is a definite.
Oh my god, it's totally different, isn't it?
That's a definite improvement.
I think at night people will see you coming now.
That would involve switching the headlights.
So what do you reckon to it, Mark?
Yeah, I like it.
It's really good,
I think it's pretty cool. I'm not going to do my whole bike now on video because
I'm sure people would love to see you do every panel.
Really?
No.
No. But I have one more little place that we need to just make sure.
Okay. So that's like general road grime, fly guts.
Come round here though.
Coming round?
Because I'm going to see what it's like on the...
Oh, yes.
on the exhaust.
Now people will be cringing.
Will they?
Won't they?
Or should we do it on the back there?
Yeah, because I think the thing is, even though this is waterless, it's going to pick up all that sand.
Okay.
So is that going to make the sand drip off?
Don't know.
Or are you going to end up scraping it round and scratching everything?
Should we try it?
Up to you, it's your bike.
It's either that or we do that. That's...
Well, that's got loads of sand on it. Let's do that, because that's...
You're worried about my bike, aren't you?
Always.
Okay,
Always.
Here we go then. So, grubby.
I like the spray bottle as well.
Still spraying.
Look at that, look. It's picking up all that dirt and it's dripping everywhere, look.
Oh, using the number plate as well, look.
Right.
Okay, so, cloth.
Which is still dampened.
It is still dampened. I haven't dried it in any way.
And you can see it when you wiped across, you could see it drying in the sunlight, actually.
Yeah. And this is filthy as normal. And now we're doing the buffy thing.
It's brought it out really well, actually.
Yeah.
Let's feel it. Do you know, feel that one. There's definitely a coating on there, isn't there?
Film of some sort, yeah.
Wow. It's really
Like
good,
it
isn't
then?
So, what do you reckon, Mark?
DrySparkle.
Yeah, really, really good.
Dogs something. Like it a lot.
Like it an awful lot. So thanks for DrySparkle for sending it. It's really
All I
nice.
need now is someone to come and do my bike.
Unbelievable. Anyway, hit the thumbs up, subscribe button. Go and check out the links in the description for your DrySparkle. It really does work, and we were quite sceptical, weren't we?
Very sceptical,
Really,
having done
really
this
like
kind
it.
of stuff before.
Yeah.
But happy with this.
Yeah. See you in the next one.